So today I have Brinly. This is my daughter. Anyway, I wanted to show you a couple new things, couple of my new products, and how to use a curling wand. First thing, she has some flyaway from over new growth. So I'm taking just a tiny bit of this black clay, and you just rub it in your hands really good, and then I'm just going to bring it, you know, through her part area and kind of through the front, just to keep those flyaways down. Okay, now I'm just going to brush through this. Okay, I have the new Longe curling wand. I'm going to show you this. Okay, then I have the new, this is the new Tussled Texturizing Mist. Okay, I spray this on before I curl because it's going to hold the curl in for a longer amount of time. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this on. I did change the sprayer on this. The sprayer that comes with this, you just spray it in your hand and you rub it in, and then you do this, okay? You put it on your hair. So I just took the lid off of my root lifter to put on it. Anyway, it kind of shoots straight, so you kind of want to put it in your hands and then put it on the hair. Okay, when I do this, I'm going to put the wand down and I'm going to go back away from her face. Okay, and then I just hold the ends out a little bit. See that? Okay, now you're going to want to hold it up and let it dry, just cool for a minute. Your curls are going to stay better if you hold on to it. Okay, and let it cool a little bit. Okay, then you can just let it down. Okay, I'm going to scoot you this way, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to take the next section of hair. She just wants a really loose wave too, so I'm just taking sections this way. Obviously, if your hair, oh, see, it's still shooting like this. So, spray it into your hand, rub it, and then you put it on the hair. After you apply the texturizing mist, you comb through it. Now, I went back on this one. I'm going to come forward with this one. You can go back each time if you would like, but I like to change it. So you can see I've rolled that towards her head, okay? Okay, then you hold it, let it cool for a second. You can even blow on it for a sec if you want. Okay, then you're going to let that out. Okay, next section. You're going to spray, rub it, and then put it where you want to curl. You're going to comb. Okay, so I went this way. Now I'm going to go the opposite way of the curl that I just did. So it's every other one. Okay, then you let it out, then you hold it. Cool it down. And you can feel when it starts cooling down, that heat will leave. Well, obviously. Okay. Now the next section. Okay, I'm going to leave that one back. Put it in my hand, squirt it. Okay, so that one rolled this way. Now I'm going to roll back. And I just hold the ends out. that one was rolled back. Now, this one I'm going to do forward. I do like 3 squirts, okay, of the texturizing mist. Okay, so going towards her face on this one. Sorry, I'm going to redo this one. My fingers got stuck. Okay, wrap it around. Again, you can see I'm just holding the ends out. Cool that. All right, now the last one. Okay, I'm going away from her face. Okay, all right. Now what I'm going to do is take 2 little drops of my oil, rub it in my hands, then I'm just going to come back through here with my fingers, put the oil through the curls. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Epic wet brush, and I'm just going to oops, sorry, Bryn. Just barely go through it. You can see how bouncy those curls are. I'm going to redo this front one, you guys, okay? I'm going to do a little bit with my hands, because that one I just sprayed on and it didn't get it real good. All right, and then, you know what, this one, the other ones did really good. This one I'm going to put into just a little bit. There we go. Okay, you can also, if you want, with your fingers, just come through. This can relax as the day goes because she doesn't want it real curly. So it'll just kind of relax. But I just wanted to show you how I curl Brinley's hair and what products I use with it. And you can see how much better that one curled. Okay, one more time, I'm just going to turn her around so you can see. Alrighty. Okay, you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.